I'm making spaghetti carbonara. So typically spaghetti carbonara is eggs and cream. Some people add cream cheese, bacon, pancetta. My mom made this dish and my dad does not, I repeat, does not eat pasta, but my dad eats this. He calls it eggs and bacon spaghetti. And technically, really, that's what it is. My mom used to make it for us as kids, and it was one of the first dishes that I experimented with when I decided I was gonna start cooking for myself. So I'm making a little twist on it by adding peas instead of bacon. Of course, we're using fresh grated Parmesan, farm-raised eggs, and unfortunately, I couldn't find any fresh spring peas in the local farmer's market today, but if you have to go frozen, go organic. And then instead of regular butter, we're using European butter. And I'm telling you right now, European butter is the absolute best butter to cook in. And of course, garlic, lots and lots of garlic. So I'm gonna freshly grate my Parmesan cheese. Guys, I'm telling you right now, what happens with my food is that I just like eating things that taste together. I look at recipes, I read magazines, I watch cooking shows, and at the end of the day, I want to make a dish that tastes good. So I think that was sort of in my mom's mind when she first started making spaghetti carbonara, because she knew my dad liked bacon, she knew he liked eggs. I think she thought if she put that all in a pot and added pasta, he'd have no choice but to like it. And then I won my kids over. My niece asked me to make it for her first night of dinner with her boyfriend. My stepdaughter asked me to make it 2 weeks ago for a sleepover. My husband has me make it whenever we have company over. So I'm confident it's an excellent dish.